Hello, hi, I'm Raymond from Free Space Intent. I'm the designer for the beautiful place for Client Place.
Hi, my name is Klein. Raymond's client. Somewhere about 3 months before key collection, me and my wife is actually looking through the magazine, and Raymond's project actually quite stand out because it's very bold, very lots of personality. Therefore, I decided to give him a call.
First things foremost, that he actually saw my place, and the place actually kind of captured his eyes. The theme itself, initially actually he wanted some Scandinavian, very clean kind of look. So never thought that actually someone can actually get this Scandinavian eclectic kind of style with more color, things like that. I think mainly it's because you saw my place foremost.
Correct.
Yeah.
Like what Raymond said, initially I wanted something simple, Scandinavian, because that was the trend back then. But many projects, I did spoke to some other interior designer, but I realized that a lot of them, their projects is rather cookie cutter, and Raymond's really we had some connection. I think he really can understand what I wanted, and I decided to change my mind, going for something that is bold, more colorful, something unique. Therefore, I think Raymond's the right person for me.
Okay, generally if you're talking about finishing wise, I mean for the style the client are looking for, client itself, we're going for more kind of a light look Scandinavian kind of thing. So basically we'll point to him to a few furniture shops, so to actually find the right things, and for our side we actually will find the laminate to match on it. So that part itself, I actually have gave a client a kind of a guideline, what kind of direction to go for it. So we are going two ways, me designing it, client actually kind of on the market sourcing for kind of furniture that are relevant to it. And as for the color wise, the kind of tiles, all this, to be really honest, on my side, initially I don't really have an idea what I want to do. So I would literally have to go to all the different tile shops and do marketing, survey, everything, and find the right one for him. Okay, for this house, I would personally really feel that it's my top 3 favorite house for 2017. That's one thing for sure. I spent a lot of effort onto it. Very satisfied with the outcome. Good friend with a client, you know, a new friend kind of stuff. So 3 in 1, you know. So no doubt on this, I'm very happy with the result, everything. And I mean, what you see kind of stuff is super unique. I'm quite sure you don't really see something like that in Singapore kind of stuff, to be honest. Bye.